Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to update Google Chrome to the latest version on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Google Play Store on your device. And then you can tap Chrome on search field. Well, if the Google Chrome application on your device in the old version, and then there will be a statement like this. Okay, and then just tap on it. And then you can wait until the update process is finished. Okay, after the process is finished and then the Google Chrome on your device is successfully updated. Well, that's the tutorial on how to update Google Chrome to the latest version on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.